Welcome to Class 10 Chemistry, Chemical Reactions, Part 2, presented by Anand Mohandas.
Let us look into some factors that affect chemical reactions. 1. Temperature. An increase in temperature increases the kinetic energy of molecules, leading to more collisions and faster reactions. A decrease in temperature has the opposite effect, slowing down reactions. 2. Concentration. Increasing the concentration of reactants increases the number of molecules available for collisions, leading to faster reactions. Decreasing the concentration has the opposite effect. 3. Surface area. Increasing the surface area of reactants, such as by grinding or cutting them into smaller pieces, increases their contact area and leads to faster reactions. 4. Pressure. Increasing the pressure of gaseous reactants pushes the molecules closer together, increasing the number of collisions and speeding up the reaction. 5. Catalysts. Catalysts are substances that increase the rate of a reaction without being consumed. They work by lowering the activation energy required for the reaction to occur.
Redox reaction, short for reduction-oxidation reaction, is a type of chemical reaction where one reactant undergoes oxidation, which means it loses electrons, and the other undergoes reduction, which means it gains electrons. The general formula for a redox reaction is oxidant plus reductant gives product. For example, consider the reaction between zinc and copper sulfate, Zn plus CuSO4 ZnSO4 plus Cu. In this reaction, zinc undergoes oxidation by losing 2 electrons, Zn to Zn2 plus 2E, and copper undergoes reduction by gaining 2 electrons. In our daily lives, oxidation is often associated with corrosion. Corrosion is the gradual deterioration of materials, often metals, due to their reaction with the environment. For example, iron rusts when exposed to air and water because oxygen in the air oxidizes the iron, forming iron oxide rust.
1. What is a chemical reaction? A chemical reaction is a process that leads to the transformation of one set of chemical substances to another. 2. What are reactants? Reactants are the substances that undergo a chemical reaction and are written on the left-hand side of a chemical equation. 3. What are products? Products are the substances that are formed as a result of a chemical reaction and are written on the right-hand side of a chemical equation. 4. What is the law of conservation of mass? The law of conservation of mass states that mass cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. The total mass of the reactants is equal to the total mass of the products. 5. What is a balanced chemical equation? A balanced chemical equation is an equation that shows the same number of atoms of each element on both sides of the equation, thus following the law of conservation of mass. 6. What is exothermic reaction? An exothermic reaction is a chemical reaction that releases energy in the form of heat, light, or sound. 7. What is endothermic reaction? An endothermic reaction is a chemical reaction that absorbs energy from the surroundings, resulting in a decrease in temperature. 8. What is corrosion? Corrosion is the gradual destruction of materials, usually metals, through chemical reactions with their environment.